Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kurt from Digging the Mud, and I got coins, and I wanted to show you this 1888 Carson City Mint Morgan silver dollar. I mean, you can barely see the CC right there, but it's there. And I gotta tell you, this is probably one of my favorite coins in my collection. From the standpoint of it really does bring me a lot of joy when I get coins in the mail from other collectors or when I get coins from my eBay purchases. And I gotta tell you, that Carson City Mint Morgan Silver dollar, that really just kick-started my whole coin collecting journey. I also have here in front of me, outside the package, a 1897 Indian head cent that I did not I did not buy this. This was actually a metal detecting find of mine. And it's stupid of me not to be putting it in the sleeve yet, which I hope I hope to do that here before too long. Well, hang on. I have my stapler around here somewhere. But it's eluding me. And you know, guys, with everything that we have going on with me medically with all my back problems and stuff like that, I can I can barely lift my detector anymore. I'm not going to sell it because my back is getting stronger. But the scoliosis in between my shoulder blades is just it's hurting too much for right now. You know, I really do I really do want to get back out there with my metal detector. And I really do want to keep making informative metal detecting videos for you guys. But with the way my health is right now, metal detecting is on hold. So I'm going to end the video here. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Kurt Yowl, Metal Detecting Adventures, Digging the Mud, signing off for now.